Learn and grow on the Sadi Daddy Show. Pickleball is a big hype among adults, but how can we make kids fall in love with it? It has many benefits. It improves concentration, hand-eye coordination, problem solving, and teamwork skills. But kids are not so focused about benefits. They want to have fun. And pickleball can be a lot of fun once you learn it and find a space to play. That's why I got this starter kit from A11N with 2 paddle boards, 4 balls, and a portable net, so I can play in my own backyard, front yard, wherever I want to go. I have a link in the description on how to order your very own A11N Spotty Dotty starter kit. Start the game! Pickleball can be played as a doubles or singles game with 4 or 2 people playing in total. In this video, I'll be showing you how to play a singles game. Decide who will serve first by playing a game of rock, paper, scissors. Serving! Pickleball uses an underhand serve, which the server strikes the ball below the waist with an upward motion. It also uses a drop serve, which the server can drop the ball and hit it after it bounces. In the beginning of every game, the server starts on the right side of the court. Pickleball has a 2-bounce rule, which means the serve must bounce before we hit the ball, and the return must bounce before we turn the ball. After that, you may hit the pickleball off the bounce or out of the air, which we call a volley. Scoring! You serve on the right side of the court for even scores and on the left for odd scores. The play, or also known as rally, will continue until someone makes a fault. There are a few ways a player can commit a fault. First, when the ball hits the net when it's served. Second, when the ball double bounces. Third, when the ball goes out of bounds. Make sure to call out loudly if the opposite team throws the ball out. Fourth, when a player steps in the kitchen while hitting the ball. That is also considered a fault. Apart from having lots of fun, our goal is to score. In pickleball, you can only score if you are the serving team. A team must win a game by scoring 11 points and having a lead of 2 points. Make sure to paddle tap at the end of each game and be a good sport. Yeah! See who can balance the ball on the paddle around the court. See how many times you can bounce the ball on the paddle. Have fun with pickleball. Make up your own games and drills. See who can catch the ball in the air. Thanks for playing with me. Click on the link in the description on how to get your own pickleball paddles and a portable net. Please like and subscribe and stay creative.